Film. Okay, this is our Sears Kenmore Elite 15,100 BTU air conditioner installed in the window and running right now. And here it is from the left-hand rear side. And let's see if we can get in here for a nice close-up. You'll see the water pretty good right there. And in that fan area, there's also a bunch of accumulated water. A little bit harder to see. Now, one of the few things that you are told in this installation is that you have to make sure that the unit is tilted towards the back downward. You can see that it is tilted downwards, like it's supposed to be. Now the view from below that's an additional support that was added. There's absolutely no water coming out of this from the bottom, no drain. The only hole, that one there, is actually in a different location that's right underneath the cylinder, and no water is in that area. When you assemble this unit, what you end up basically doing is you have to take out that whole inside section and the bottom that it's attached to. You take it out of the unit, you take the front off the unit, you build up this box into your window frame so that you have a box that has the side, the top, the other side, and then these rails, the bottom. And then when you're ready, when everything is installed, like these angles, when you're ready from the inside, you take the unit and slide it in, and it slides right above these rails, and it is basically the floor and the entire air conditioning unit on the inside. Once it's in place, go ahead and close the window down, and you go ahead and put the front panel back on. So the thing is that when you do this, you're not doing anything in this area. And this isn't even there as part of their unit. We paid an extra $40 for this bracket to make sure that we have plenty of support, so that when we do open the window up to clean it, there's no chance that the thing is going to come falling over backwards. So the question is all of that water supposed to be in there? Is this a design that needs to have that water in it? People at Sears don't seem to know the answer to that. So that's why I'm posting this.